Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's compute the antiderivative of this given exponential function using the substitution rule. The same item was already provided in the previous video, and the result when we had this process is actually equal to the negative of e to the power of 3 minus 2x plus c. Let's try to show using substitution rule if we have the same answer. Our given here is the integral of 2 times e to the power of 3 minus 2x dx. Take note that 2 is a constant multiple. You can take that out. You have the integral of e to the power of 3 minus 2x dx. Let's not include 2 in our substitution because it's just a constant multiple. This time, let u be our exponent 3 minus 2x. So this becomes 2 times the integral of e to the power of u, and then dx would also be represented in terms of u. Deriving both sides of this equation, u becomes du equal to 3 becomes 0, minus 2x becomes minus 2 dx. Take note, it has negative because the term is negative 2x. So with that, our dx in terms of du, dividing both sides by negative 2, so you have negative 1 half of your du. That's the item you want here instead of this. So negative 1 half of du. We can now see that for this part, all of the terms are now expressed as u. Since negative 1 half is also a constant, you can move that out. You'll have here 2, or 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, over 2, the integral of e to the power of u du, or simply negative 1 or negative of the integral e to the power of u du. And what is this? We will be using the rule intended for the exponential function when our base is constant e. It's e to the power of x dx, which would give us the function itself plus any constant c. So in this case, you will have here the result for this. When we write it in this form, negative of the integral, no longer integral, e to the power of u plus c. Or it's the negative of this binomial expression, and even if you're going to multiply both terms here by negative, it's still c in itself, right? Okay, now, originally there was no u. Let's return to the u, which is 3 minus 2x. This becomes negative e to the power of our u, which is 3 minus 2x, then plus your c. This is now the answer of this item using the substitution rule. But of course, when you look into the chain rules result, we have the same result. So you will have the same answer regardless of which rule, as long as you follow appropriate methods and steps. This is now the answer for this item, and you will have 2 rules to answer specific or similar items like this. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now!